Okay, so today who have missed the class, this recording is for them only. Number 29. See, what do we need for photosynthesis? Here, sunlight is there, water is there, and we only need carbon dioxide. So that will be carbon dioxide. Instead of which plants give us oxygen. By taking carbon dioxide, plants releases oxygen to us. Okay, number 30. A car will speed less on a dry road than on a wet road. This happens because between the tires and the dry road there is more friction. This is the correct answer. Number 31. Which pair best matches this pair of words? Cocoon and moth. It will be branch and tree because cocoon, we found cocoon on the branches and moth can be found on a tree. Moth is a type of, yes, insect. Okay, number 32. If a city wants to improve the natural environment of a park, what is the best thing to do? The best thing to do is to construct a flower garden with park branches around it, plant a variety of trees and shrubs that are native to the area, build swing slides and seesaws for small children. So everything we can find it in a park. Everything we find this in a park. So all of this will be the correct option. Number 33, which changes the sun's energy into the electrical energy? It will be the solar energy. Number C. When a moving object rubs against something, its motion slows down because of a force called friction. Because a moving object, whenever it goes on a motion, it has a friction with another object. So its motion slows down. So the correct answer is friction. Okay, the next one, which of the following is the next phase of the moon? The correct answer will be C. Okay. Now the next one, which of this best shows that the earth revolves around the sun as the moon revolves around the earth? This is the correct answer. See, around sun, earth is revolving and around earth, moon is revolving. This is the correct one. Okay, number 37. Which cycle is correct? After morning, sunrise does not happen because first we see sunrise, then morning comes, then there is an afternoon, then sun sets and we get the evening. Okay, number C. C is correct. See, there is a seed first, then we get a mature plant from that seed, and from the mature plant we get fruit, then there is a seedling which comes out from the fruit. That is, we get the seed from the fruit, then when we put that seed into the soil, it grows into a seedling. So number C is the correct option. Okay, number 38. The diagram shows a potato plant in a cup. The cup was originally filled to the top with water. Which statement best explains why the cup no longer contains water? The water froze. No, this is not the correct one. The water condensed. This is also wrong. The water was taken in by the roots. So this is the correct answer. See, there are roots coming out from this potato. So the roots have taken over the water. What is shown in the given diagram? The correct answer will be life cycle. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, now number 40. A student planted same kind of seeds in pots A and B. She planted 5 seeds in pot A and 5 seeds in pot B. The amount and type of soil in both pots was the same. She added the same amount of water to both pots each week. Pot A was placed by a sunny window. Pot B was placed in a dark room. After 4 weeks, she observed the plants in both the pots. The plants in pot A were green with tall and thick stems. The plants in pot B were yellow with tall, thin stems. Which statement best explains why the plants in pot A were different from that in pot B? So the correct answer will be pot A received more sunlight than pot B because pot A was placed by a sunny window, whereas pot B was placed in a dark room. We all know sunlight is required for photosynthesis or for health, the photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food. Okay, now number 41. Which process is occurring at D? D. This is evaporation. See, the water is evaporating and it is going into the sky. Or from this water is evaporating and from it clouds are forming. Okay, number 42. Water flowing on Earth's surface at sea is called runoff. Number D is the correct answer. This is runoff. Okay, number 43, a food chain is shown in the diagram. So, the green plant is eaten by the mouse. Mouse is eaten by the snake. Hawk eats the snake. So, hawk eats snake, snake eats mouse, mouse eats green plant. Which population would most likely decrease if the number of mouse greatly increase? It will be green plant, 48A. Sorry, 43A, green plant. Very sorry. Okay, number 44, which object would reflect the most light? We all know mirror reflects the light. Most of the light is reflected by the mirror. Which skull is probably from an animal that ate grass? This is the skull of an animal which ate grass. The picture shows a pulley. This is a picture of a pulley which helps us to draw water from the well and to lift a very heavy weight. Which of this base completes the concept map? Solid change into liquid. No, solid changes to liquids and liquids changes to gases. This is very easy. We all know it's heat. When we apply heat to a solid, for example, ice, it becomes water. And when we apply heat to water or liquid, it gets converted to gases or water vapor. 48. What is the amount of space that matter takes up? It will be the volume, A. 48 will be A. 49. Rain, snow, sleets are the forms of what? Rain, snow and sleet are forms of precipitation. What is a stem? Part of the plant that connects the roots to the leaves. This is also called a stem. Part of the plant that connects the leaves to leaves. This is also an example of stem. Again, part of the plant that connects the roots to ground. This is also an example of stem. So, D is the correct answer. All of this. Okay. That's all, guys. We'll meet you again tomorrow. Bye, everyone.